things. I've got a whole bunch Walking Dead dog tags. I'm keeping 2 sealed, but they look like this. Here's Maggie. Here's her hollow reflective version. These are really cool. I gotta get the other ones in my room. There's Carol. They're relics, so you also get the fabric from costume episodes in the dog tag. Here's a lenticular. These are really cool. They're stickers. Season 4, number 24. It's fucking badass. I've got, like I said, 2 in the room, but I hadn't planned to make a video, so I'm gonna show you real quick. These are the ones that are, so you get fabric relics. So I have Glenn and a Walker. I'll just make a video later to show those ones, but what a find. Big Lots for $2. When these blind bags came out, they were like $7. I never really got them too expensive. I didn't want to spend $7 on a dog tag, but these are so cool. There's the regular Carol. I got a preview for season 5 Glenn. It's like a sepia tone. And then Tyrese. Yeah, these are cool. I'll make a video later to show all the other ones I have. So see how Carol's a hollow reflective, and then this is the original one. These are really cool. That's all. I'll show my relic ones later. Oh, and here's the stickers that are non-lenticular. This one's fucking creepy. This is the one I call a Gary Busey Walker. I got 2 of those from season 5, number 20. Here's the other one. That's all. I'll show the other ones later. But these are cool.